Welcome to my video, and today's video I'm going to show you screen record sound not working on your phone. So let's say guys how to do it. What the first thing to do is going to open up your font option from here, your phone, or tap and hold your screen record option from here. And as you can see, we got an option here to setting from here, the option called sound source, simple option as well. And you can simply choose the microphone option from here. Make sure that the option called be microphone. So there's a simple process, guys, how to fix the no sound problem on your screen recording video. If you found that this video will be helpful, don't miss to subscribe my channel and stay with us. See you in the next video, guys.